You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a power hour. It is after dinner in my home today and the house is just pretty much trashed. I did not pick up really today at all. Usually I pick up as we go, and it's just a crazy Monday. I've had a really bad headache and I still kind of do, but I need to get some of this cleaning done before I go out in the garage and start working out for the evening. So I'm gonna set the timer. I'm gonna show you what time it is. I'm gonna show you the mess that I have, and we're gonna get this done. Okay, it is 5:30, so I have 1 hour to get as much picked up as possible because in about an hour, that's also when Chloe goes down for bedtime.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose.
Most evenings, Emma really cleans all this up with me, but this evening I just wanted to get it over with, get it done. I had some things I wanted to do. I wanted to go out in the garage and work out, but as you can tell, I was totally over these balls. Emma had them all in that little ball pit with Chloe, but we found out that is fun to kind of throw them around and Chloe chases them now that she can crawl, and it was so funny. It was so fun, but this is also my first time having a couch where I obviously things like get stuck underneath it, whereas all my other couches, my Roomba can fit underneath it and would push all the balls out.
So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go.
This is kind of like our catch-all closet. Is literally the only closet we have in this house that is not a dedicated bedroom closet, and our pantry, which kind of sucks, but it's kind of where I've made all of the bigger toys or just some toys in general, and all our arts and crafts go into this closet. We do want to eventually build more shelves on the inner part of it, which we got one of them, but we need to do some more. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We do a lot of DIY cleaning videos, vlogs, a little bit of everything on this channel, but I've been doing a ton of DIY and home projects. So if you're into that type of stuff, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell for the notifications so you know when I upload. But we have recently just shiplapped this whole back wall, built that shelf, did the subway tile, and new countertops. About a year ago we did the new countertops, but we are still in the process of getting new hardware and just kind of refinishing the cabinets. Comment down below and let me know, do you like the cabinets this color, or would you like to see it in a white or a gray color. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. And also, yes, this right here, my daughter had glitter because she watches the YouTube channel where they like color things and throw glitter on it, and she wanted to do it, so we got her glitter, and I literally just spilled it all over the floor in this clip. Yes, I'm that person. I'm not ashamed to say that I throw food on the floor for my dogs to eat, so I don't have to pick it up.
I got so much more, don't give me I got so much more to give, don't leave me so much more to give you, don't leave me I got so much more to give, don't leave me
been an hour. I did not get everything on my list done, but I will show you what I did. And the main thing is my kitchen is spotless. It is never spotless at this time of the day. Usually it's like way later in the night, like 9, 10 at night. So let me show you what I did. Okay, so this is everything I got done. Those are all the bowls I was able to collect. There's still some under the couch, but I will probably do that tomorrow just because I need to move the couch and I'm running out of time right now. I didn't get to her Play-Doh section, but I think I'm gonna have her help me pick that up before she goes to bed. And this was my pile of like, this doesn't belong in here. This kind of goes back to their bedrooms and the laundry room and my slippers. But I got all this straightened up. I didn't get to vacuum yet. And I need to put the balls back in there so I can shove all that back in there. And then this was the big part that took the most time, was I got the table scrubbed, some of the chairs cleaned off. And this is all clean, which is amazing because normally all this is not cleaned at this hour of the day. So I'm super happy that this is done because this I feel like is like 90% of our messy home. Like when it is a mess, it's the kitchen. So I've got the dishwasher running, so hopefully you can hear me over that. And I mainly just got the main living spaces cleaned. It would have been dumb of me to go back there and clean their rooms because my husband is playing with them back there, but that's the end result. That's what I got done in an hour, and that's also moving the cameras around, turning them on and off, letting the dogs in and out, feeding them, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy clean with me's or power hours. And comment down below, what's your favorite type of cleaning video to watch? Do you like power hours? Do you like just regular clean with me's? Do you like organization? Do you like certain rooms when people clean them? Or do you like is it just power hours? Or
There's like a quicker one. I don't know. Maybe it's just Power Hours. I don't know. I'm just talking to talk. But comment down below and let me know what your favorite cleaning video is. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.